What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications. That way, every time we send out a video, you're the first to be notified. Also, if you like the information I'm giving you, give us a thumbs up. It does something to the YouTube's algorithms, helps us get seen more. So, what we're doing is this is day number 16 um, in our case study with the $25 all in one digital business. Um, So far, so good. We've already made sales using the strategy that we have in place right now. And with this $25 system, you can get to $100,000 recurring yearly income in 12 months or less. And that's all by only referring 1 to 3 people a week. So just one sale a week turns into $74,800 recurring commission. And when you're in affiliate marketing, that's what you're looking for is recurring commission. 2 sales is going to put you at about $150,000 recurring commission, and 3 sales turns into almost $250,000 uh, every year coming into your pocket, paid weekly. So what we're using, so now that we got our product, the hardest part is to get people to that product, to get traffic. So what we're doing and what we're using, and to be honest, I've never seen anything that converts like this, and I've never found anything else remotely as good as this. Is we're using this company right here called My Lead Gen Secret. They give you 100 leads every day to email to. They also have an autoresponder, so everything comes in with the system. Now, as you get that 100 leads a day, if you bring in somebody, they give you 100 bonus leads a day. That gives you 200 leads a day, which is 6,000 leads a month. What we're doing and what the company allows you to do is get several accounts, as many accounts as you want. I recommend anywhere from 3 to 5 accounts starting out. The reason why you don't want to go with one, you're going to have patience. Uh, it's going to take a while before you get a first sale. 3 to 5 accounts, if you will get you there faster. Me personally, I have 7 accounts at this one time at this time right now, and I'm building to 10 accounts. So what we're doing is, like I said, I got 5 accounts. So when I get my first account, I'm signing up my second account under my first, and I'm signing up my third account under my second. And then we also get referral fees for that. And everybody that signs up under you in my secret lead gen, you get $5, and then you get a referral for everybody that they refer. So this is inside uh, the mailing system, and so your leads come right here, and then you hit select all. And then just this one account, I got 17,500 people I emailed to my offer. And here are the emails daily that I send out. As you can see, this one right here has had 1,200 opens and 74 people that's clicked the link. And if you're wondering how good these leads are, let's go over to the product that we're promoting, the all-in-one 25 business. And ding, 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 we got another commission right here. Day number 16, we got another sale. We had 792 people that clicked our link that went to this page right here and that sold them. So we have our product, the $25 all-in-one business. It only costs you $25 to start your business. And then we're using my lead gen leads to promote to. And then also when you join me in the $25 all-in-one business, I'm going to give you absolutely free the exact same way that I promote to get free leads, and the secret place that I use to get where I buy my leads from also. So what we're using is my lead gen secret. We're also paying for traffic, and we're also getting free traffic. And when you sign up with me, I'll show you all three of those ways that I'm using. So day 16, we've done got 5 sales so far. We've done collected $140 in commission payments. So far, so good. We're doing a 1 year case study on this. So we're going to try to see how this works out. Day 16, we'll see how it looks on day 17. Uh, just stay with me if you want to join me. The link will be in the description below this video, and both to the my lead gen secret and to the $25 all-in-one business. You cannot beat this. 16 days, I've already made my money back for the monthly cost for the $25, and then now I'm making my money back for the my lead gen secrets. So hopefully we could be in profit in month 2. Hopefully 2 months to be in profit and making a recurring income. You can't beat that. All right, guys, I'll see you on day 17.